So this is Weebly, which is the website creating platform that I use. So I just log on and select Edit Site. This apps thing will pop up. You can just select I'll do later because we don't have any external apps with this website. So you can just ignore that. And then it should bring you to editing your homepage or any of your pages. So if you select pages, you can see all of the different types of website pages you have. So basically it mirrors what's in your menu bar. So you can kind of see how it's lined up and you can see all the pages that you have. And I have a lot. So if you select a page, then you can edit that page. Just hit build. So you can put in a new title. So if you have it lined up, that blue bar comes all the way across. It'll go under what's previously there. And then you can type in whatever title would be fit for this section. Then you can also put a text. So you can do standard things with text, type in whatever you want, and it'll come up right below. You can also add an image. This can be, I typically search them on Google first and download them so they're on my computer, but you can also search images here. They're just not as great. So you just select whatever image you have or use it uploaded from your computer. So we insert the image. If you want to move the image or anything, just shift it over to a spot, and wherever the blue bar shows up is where it will move. So the blue bar was on the right, so that means it's going to be next to their text here. The other thing I use is the button tool, so you can slide that over, and this allows you to create a basically button that brings them to an external link. So you can name that whatever is relevant or whatever the link is, that's up to you. So go to button text and type in what you want it to be. And then I typically use it for links, so I'll get the URL link of whatever website. This is a random one, so I don't know if it's reliable, but that you want for your button, and come back and go to link and then website URL, and you'll just paste in whatever the link is. I like to keep it as that the new website opens in a new window so that they have, both tabs up. So that's the button. You can also link to just regular standard pages on your website. So if you want to have a button that, brings them over to the SAT page you have or something else, you can also link to pages within the website. So then there's some other structural things like a spacer or a divider or a new section. I use the divider kind of often to signify a different section. You can also change that image on the background, that front, replace it. Same as you would upload a photo from your computer or search one, and that would be the background for that page. So that's basically how you edit a page. There are a few more things, like if you wanted to add a video or audio. I haven't done that, but you could do that. You can also change the theme color. You can change the fonts. You can change the actual theme. I won't be offended if you want to change that. If you find one that works better or looks better, that's great. So these are all their options, and you can hit preview to see what it would look like with the content that is already there. So if you want it, you hit choose. If not, just hit cancel and it'll stay the way it is. Another thing I forgot to mention is you can, in the text part, you can change a lot of the text like you would in Word or Google Drive. You can create a link from the Word. So you can say like study and they click on it and it brings you right to the website. You can bold, italicize, underline, just like you could on Word. You can make it font bigger, change the color. So all of that, pretty standard, can be edited as well. If you need to move any of the pages or like reorganize what goes under a tab, you can just drag them. That's pretty easy to organize.